In trigonometry, the sine rule is an important rule for working out the angles and lengths of sides for a triangle. To show the rule, it is useful to draw a triangle as shown. Any combination of angle and side directly opposite are related, and they can be used to work out the angle and side of the other variables. The potential combinations are shown here. Angle represented by a large letter, while the corresponding side is shown with a small letter. The sine rule dictates that the sine of the angle over the opposite side is equal to each of the other combinations. The calculation can be turned upon its head, and so the side over sine of each angle is also equal to each of the other combinations. So let's use the sine rule to find side B. We can isolate part of the equation and disregard unknown or unnecessary variables, in this case angle C and side C. Rearranging, we can invert A and B. We can then isolate B by making A sine B divisible by sine A. To find angle B, side B can be moved across, multiplying side B by sine A over side A. Multiplying further by extracting sine B, apply inverse sine to the other side. We can now find angle B. Let's try a practical exercise to show the equations at work. We have data for angle A, B, and side A. We can therefore ignore C. So side B equals A sine B over sine A. This gives us a length of 49.07. The missing angle C can be worked out next by deducting the other two angles from 180 degrees. Side C can then be worked out using the sine rule. Negating side B and angle B, the length of side C becomes 45.22. The area of the triangle can be worked out with two sides and one angle. Select the angle between two sides or faces. As this is a triangle, multiplying the sides by the sine of the angle must be divided by 2. This gives an area of 849.87 millimeters squared. The sine rule still works if only one angle is known. Here we can calculate missing angle B. Missing angle C can then be deduced. And finally, angle C is revealed. To summarize, we've learnt how to use the sine rule to work out any given angle or side. In the next video, I'll show how the cosine rule works.